adults are fascinated by dinosaurs. Did you know Twinkl can help you learn all about dinosaurs in a fun way? All you need to do is go to our homework help guide and click the chapters on the left-hand side depending on the topic or question you want to find out about. As well as help with your homework, these guides contain lots of exciting experiments and activities that you can try at home, as well as some fun facts that'll be sure to impress your friends and family. What does dinosaur mean? Dinosaurs were some of the most impressive creatures to ever walk the earth, and their remains continue to fascinate us until this very day. New types of dinosaur fossils and new dinosaur species are constantly being discovered. They are some of the most popular creatures in history, and their name isn't just a made-up word. The word dinosaur is made up from two Greek words. They are dinos, which means terrible, and sauros, which means lizard. Together they form the word dinosaurios. I hope I said that right, which means terrible lizard or monstrous lizard. In English, this came the word dinosaur. The word dinosaur was created to reflect the size, power and ferocity of the dinosaurs. It wasn't until the late 1800s that dinosaurs were officially recognised as a distinct group of species. Before then, they were thought of as other reptiles.